Ang tagal ko nang nakikita tong home credit, kaya naman sabi ko, the next time na may bibilhin ako para sa bahay, itatry ko din to. At eto na nga, kailangan ko bumili ng oven toaster. Tamang-tama at sale sa SM. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Nagtingin-tingin na rin ako ng iba pang small appliances kagaya ng blender, air fryer, at pati na rin ng steamer. After a few minutes, nakita ko na nga rin yung gusto kong oven toaster. Double wall siya at meron siyang temperature knob. Naisip ko na kailangan ko rin pala ng electric fan, kaya napabili na rin ako. As mommies, alam naman natin kung gaano kahirap mag-budget, kaya naman as much as possible, we want to stretch every peso that we have. At nakakatuwa kasi home credit helps in doing just that. Hindi mo na kailangan ng credit card. Easy lang ang requirements for first-time applicants. You must be a Filipino citizen, one primary ID, and of course, you have to be employed or have a source of income. As you can see, very convenient ang processing ng home credit kasi digital na siya, wala ka nang masyadong maraming pipirmahan. The minimum amount that you can avail is 2,000. Zero interest na ito for 3 months. Pero alam nyo kung anong pinaka nagustuhan ko dito? No processing fee. Mukhang mapapabili na ako ng gusto kong espresso machine na. Thank you, Home Credit!